my name's Gracie, and today we're going to make a cute box. First, take your box, and I'm using specifically a box from the post office service in America. First take the middle part out of your box and hop through that. Then take an old rag, dress, curtains, or anything you don't need. I'm using an old dress that's too big, wobbly, and it doesn't really work that well. So, take the ends of your boxes and cut them off with scissors. Take the dress, curtain, or your cloth and hot glue it. Hot glue the back of your box. Take it, hot glue it onto the dress, curtain, or thing. On the sides, make it like you're wrapping a present. If your hot glue dries, add another layer and try that again. On the outsides, you also want to add a quick drop of it to make it go in. My first one went kind of crooked because I added too much hot glue and it dried too quickly. So now let's try the second one. I'm adding it on the edges only so that it will stick better and it won't dry that easily. You don't want to add too much because it could get really thick or have a big bump there. Now I'm going to glue on here so it can stick together better. Now we're going to glue this side and see how this works together. Try to make the strands better. You don't want to make it show that way because that's the side that will be actually seen. You want to make that look the best. So now that we're done, I'm going to start the bottom of my box. So I'm going to spread it out and use only half of it. Now I'm taking out this half and hot gluing it to the edges. Now I'm going to fold it on the other side and try this one. If you fold it on one side and then another, it's easier for me. It might be for you. You could try that formation if it works. You want to try and pull it so that it's all flat and it looks better. The sides, you could just put them up. You could just glue them on the sides or cut them. I suggest gluing them because that worked better for me. Keep on doing that till your box is all covered on the ends. Let's do the sides now. So I folded my arm around and I'm going to use some hot glue on the sides. Stick on the edges. I use it on the edges, so I would use less hot glue. It's your choice. If you want it to stick better, you could try the edges, or you could put a little few dots in the middle. Hot glue on the side. We're gonna bring it down, hoping not to get any wrinkles. Now we'll do the other side. Now we're gonna tuck this in and hot glue it to the side. Let's make that stick for about 1 minute. We're hot gluing the bottom. We're gonna do the sides first. A few sides. We're gonna do it like we're wrapping a present. First you want to stick these sides together. And put that one down. Now I'm doing my last edge. Last edge. As you can see, I cut out a little bit of fabric on this side and a lot on that side. You want to try and measure it to have a good amount on both sides. Now we're going to hot glue the sides inside. Oh, and I almost forgot we have to tuck in these edges and hot glue them first. That's an important part too. You don't want all your edges jiggity-jaggedy wobbling while your box is there. So you hot glue these sides in. Then tuck in. And try to go through carefully. Try not to get any wrinkles, but if you do, that's fine because this is going to be covered by our strips we cut out earlier. Now we're tucking in our edges. So we're gonna put these on the side to make them look good. So we'll just stick these on to make this good. There. Now we'll tie our other strips in, make those edges too. Now put hot glue on the next edges too. our last strip for here. Gluing in our last strip. The box is looking pretty nice. It's actually looking like a box now. So, since the back of it, I didn't use enough fabric to cover that, you could put more fabric or cut out another strip of cardboard to put fabric on it. I'm just going to use some construction paper because that's easy and it's going to be on my desk, so that's fine. I'm going to take this and put that on right there. And there you have your box. You can add a few additional things in it. It could be on your nightstand. So put a box on your nightstand. You can put that there. Just additional. Thank you for watching.